Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, we finished 9.3 comparing unlike fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
So, 9.4 is children add and subtract unlike fractions. Add and subtract unlike fractions. So, children, I think in class 4, you know how to add and subtract like fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How you can
Looking
do?
the numerator. Looking the numerator.
We will add only the numerator.
Yes, ma'am. Because denominator is same.
Denominator, we will not do anything. Okay, we'll start. Okay. So, for example, children, okay, so if I want to add 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Yes, Felix. What's the answer, Felix? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the answer? Class 4, you have learned addition of like fractions. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's the answer? 1 plus 2?
3.
3. Okay. Now what you will write the denominator?
4 itself.
4 itself. We are not adding these two together, but we will add the numerator. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. Like the same way we will do subtraction. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Okay, Dia, can you please tell me the answer? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Dia? What's the answer? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8?
4 by 8.
4 by 8. So, children, very good. So, children, you know how to add and how to subtract like fractions. So, if you don't know how to add and subtract unlike fractions, what we will do? We will do the numerators. We will make.
Ma'am, we will make, ma'am, to subtract and subtract unlike fractions. We will make the denominator same.
Same, like fractions. How you can make
Like
fractions?
comparing. Ma'am, like comparing. LCM method.
LCM. Okay, LCM. Okay, children. So, all of you please listen. How we can add and subtract unlike fractions? We will make unlike fractions. We will make them like fractions by finding the LCM. Okay, children.
LCM.
By finding the LCM.
Ma'am, short method is there.
Yes.
Ma'am, short method is there.
Short method. This is very easy method. Then why you want short method? Look here, 1 by 4,
Yes, ma'am, just find
2 by
it.
4. Just we have to add the numerator. Now, if I have, listen carefully, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. How can I add? I want to make this fraction
LCM.
like fraction. So I know
Yes, ma'am.
LCM of 2 and 4, least common multiple is 4. So
Ma'am, 4 is LCM.
my aim is to make these 2 also 4. So what I have to do? Multiply by 2.
Multiply
So
by
you
2.
will have to, you will get 2 by 4. Now you made these unlike fractions like. So you what you
Yes,
can do?
ma'am.
You can add the numerator 1,
Ma'am.
add the numerator 3
Okay,
by
ma'am.
4.
Understood.
Very easy question. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now I got mom. I was late. That's all.
No problem. We just started. Okay. So children, if you know how to add and subtract like fractions, how we have to do? We have to do add and subtract the numerators only. We will not do anything on denominator. But if it is unlike fractions, children, what we have to do? You have to make the
We should
fraction
make
like
denominator
fraction.
like
How?
fractions.
By
Making
finding.
by LCM.
So children,
LCM.
it's very easy. We can do
Yes, ma'am.
workbook.
Ma'am, like comparing. itself.
Okay, now I will tell one by one to read. Please take the workbook page, which is the page 9.4. See, for fractions, children, we have taken enough time. So first one was fractions, equivalent fractions, comparing fractions. So if you, how we compare the fraction? By finding the LCM. How to reduce the fractions? By dividing by HCF. All this we have finished. So it is easy for us to do now, make unlike fractions to like fractions. So did you get the page number 27? Show me the page. Page 27. Yes. Now all these first 3 questions you have to do now alone, because it's only compare. Yes, Agnay, finished. Unmute and speak. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, children, 1, 2, 3 questions you have to do now. Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Yes, Agnay.
Ma'am, I know the method. Ma'am, I joined.
For what?
Ma'am, for adding unlike fractions.
Okay, for adding unlike fractions. That when we do that, we can discuss. Okay.
Ma'am, I joined it. So what you took, ma'am? Before I go.
Okay. Now, Richard, please take page number 27. Now, page number 27. Page number 27. Those who joined now, we are going to do now page number 27. Page number 27. 9.4. Question number 1. Yes, Isha, read the question.
2 by 4 dash 1 by 4.
Okay, we have to compare 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. So, tell me which option is correct?
Option A.
Option A. You know, these two are like fractions. So, 2 is bigger. Yes. So, option A is correct. Very good. Option A. Okay, Fia, can you read question number 2? Fia?
Yes, ma'am. 4
Question
by
number 2.
4 by 5 and 2 by 4.
4 by 5 and 2 by 4. So here it is not easy. So you have to make this common. So better you can take the smaller shortcut method. 4 into 4. What is 4 into 4?
16.
16. Okay. What is 5 into 2?
10.
10. So which fraction is bigger?
4 by 5.
Yes, 4 by 5. So option?
Option B.
Very good. Option B is correct answer. Next one, Ayman, read question number 3.
1 by 36 dash 4.
1 by 36. And children, I am doing here the, see if anyone have doubt, I am writing the question again. Okay. Yes, Ayman?
Can I say the answer?
Yes.
A.
A. Because we know these two are same denominators. So look at the numerator. Here this is big. So here we have option A. Option A. Okay. Now next one is here. We have to make add and subtract the sum of 5 by 4 and 3 by 2. Yes, Gautam. We have to make this equivalent fraction. How we can make here we have 2, here 4. So you know multiplied by which number you will get 4? 2. So here 3 into 2.
6 by 4.
So 5 by 4 plus 6 by 4. So what's the answer?
11 by 4.
11 by 4. So option?
Option B.
B. Very good. Option B. So children, when you add 5 plus 6, the answer is 11 by 4. Okay. Okay, now let me see. Agnay, can you say this another method for adding? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah.
we should cross multiply the numbers and we should add them for addition and multiply the denominators.
So this question, if you do like that, this is that easy? Now, when we did this question number 4, 5 by 4, this
5 by 4,
was
3
telling
by
me
2.
the answer, Gautam. Yes,
Yeah,
when Gautam was saying me 3 by 2. So he told me, okay, how we can make 4, 2 into 4. So it is 11 by 4. So when you do this another method by cross multiplication, 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. Then you have to multiply. So it is
No, we should add 10 at the answers which we got when we cross multiplied.
10 plus 12. Yes.
Yes, 20.
That's what I'm writing. 22. Okay. Then
Then we should multiply the denominators and
4 2s are 8. Okay. So here, look here. This is the double. This is the equivalent fraction. So 8
Ma'am,
by 4 is more
we
easy now.
should,
Find
and
it.
we should do it in its lowest terms.
Lowest form. So that's why I say again, that is not the easy method. Yes, we have to find, again you have to reduce to, so here check, we got directly 11 by 4 easily. Here we will make the denominator same.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you got 22 by 8. So what you have to do? Again you have to divide by 2. So you will
So
get
it will
11
become
by 4.
11 by
11
4.
by 4. So that is okay, but it's not that much easy, I feel.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
because
a
we are
doubt.
multiplying. Again, you have to reduce to
Excuse
lowest
me, ma'am.
form by highest HCF. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayman.
ma'am, you told the answer of the fourth one is B. Ma'am, so we only have to make the denominator same and then we will add.
Yes, only that much. Because we already know how to add the like fractions. So
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
our aim is to make the denominator same. How we can make the denominator same? By finding the LCM, least common multiple.
Multiply.
Okay, now let me see who is going to say the next one. Read Brightlin. Read question number 5.
8 by 13 minus 3 by 6 equal to dash.
Okay, 8 by. Okay, next one is, can you see the question here? Okay, we can do here on itself. Question number 5. Question number 5. So here we have to do 8 by 3
8 by
minus
3 minus
3 by
3
6.
by 6.
Okay, so Brightlin, look here. Here we have 3. Here I have 6. So what I have to do?
We
Make the
have to
denominator
find
same.
LCM.
How can I make the denominator
Yes,
3 into 6? Multiplying by which number? 3 into which number is 6?
3 into 2.
Very good. 3 into 2. So that same here you'll do. So 8 into 2. What is 8 into 2?
8 2s are 4.
8 2s are? 8 into
8 2s
2.
are 16.
16. Okay. 16 minus 3. Here also we have the same denominator. Here also. Okay. Now tell me 16 minus 3.
16 minus 3, 13.
Okay. So 13 by 6 is the answer. Now look at the options and tell me the answer.
A.
A. Okay. A. That is very easy questions. What we have to do? You have to make equal the same denominators. So how you can find out the difference? you have to take the difference between the numerators and write the same denominator. Denominator will not change. Okay, next is question number 6. Okay, Devak,
Yes, ma'am.
read the question.
9 by 3 minus
9
11 by
by 3 minus 11 by 9. Now look at the denominator. I want to make, they are like we can make least common LCM. How you can make their multiply by which number?
into 3.
Into 3. Yes. Because 3 into 3 we know that is 9. So here also we will get 9. Here also 9. So what is 9 into 3?
27.
27 minus 11. Here it is 9. Here also it is 9. So subtract and tell me that answer. 27 minus 11.
16.
7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 1 is
16 by
1.
9.
So 16 divided by 9. So can you tell me the option?
D.
D. So children, don't say the answer by looking at the numerator itself, because they will give 16 by 3, 16 by 9. You have to be careful with the denominator. Find the LCM. After finding the LCM, you have to write the same denominator. So that is option D. Okay, option D. Now question number 7, find out alone. You have to make the equal denominator. The question is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Do alone and tell me the answer. Here I know how I can make here. 4 2s are 8 and here also it's 8. Okay, Chinmay, did you get the answer? Yes?
Ma'am, I reached the 13th one.
Okay, tell me the answer of question number 7.
7 by 8.
7 by 8. So children, here when you do 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 by 8.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, for the 13th one, what steps
Wait.
we should write?
We will discuss anyway. Now 8 and 9. Children, do alone now. All of you do question number 8 and 9. Children, Ammu, Pranav, Srihari, I cannot see your face. Where's that? Abhimanyu, are you there? I'm not seeing you regularly on the camera. Pranav, Srihari. Okay, so I'm in finished question number 8.
Ma'am, 8th one is 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay, how many got that answer? Question number 8, 1 by 4. Yes? Okay. Now do question number 9.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, I mean. Yes, Adinad. Question number 9. Have you done?
Ma'am, doing.
Okay, do. So children, I will write the answer on the board. Question
Ma'am,
number
I
8.
have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you told, ma'am, the 7th one was 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So if we multiply 4 by 2, we will get 8.
Yes.
So if we get a number like 2 by 5 and 3 by 6, like that.
That also you have to find the LCM. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So you have to multiply one number by 5, other fraction by 6. Our
Okay,
aim is to get the
same
denominator. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now children, question number, how you are getting here 4 2s are 8. You will take 4 and 8. We are finding the LCM. So here 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 1, 2. So when you multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. We know the LCM is 8. By which number you will get multiply? That is 2. That is what we are doing here also. Everywhere we are finding the same. But some question will be easy. Without doing LCM, we can find out directly LCM. So children, question number 8. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So how you can find out the LCM? You know, multiplied by 2. Here also 2 into 2, 4. So if you have any doubt what you will do, you will find the LCM like this. 1, 2. So LCM is what? 4. So 4 into 1, no need to do anything. Just multiply by 1. Here 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 by 4. So Ayman told correct answer. 1 by 4 is the answer of question number 9.
Thank you, ma'am.
1 by 4. Now next one is question number 9. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Okay, Manu, can you say the answer, Manu? How you can make this 16? 8 into which number?
2.
Yes, 2. So same you will do here also. So can you tell 1 into 2?
2.
2. So 2 plus 1. Here 8 2s are 16. Here also 16. So what's the answer?
3 by 16.
3 by 16. So children, you have to write only the answer. 3 by 16. Okay, how many got this answer 3 by 16? Can you raise your hand? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, in the 9th question, we should find the LCM of 8 and 16, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, when we find the LCM of 8 and 16, I got 72.
72. Let me
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
We will do that. So here, when I do LCM, here the answer is 3 by 16.
Yes, ma'am.
So here 8 and 16.
Okay, ma'am.
4 2s are 8. 8 2s
And
are
9.
16. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
2 here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 1,
Okay, ma'am.
2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16.
Okay,
LCM.
ma'am. I thought it was 18 and I wrote there 9.
9.
Instead of 4
Instead
and
of
8, I wrote 9.
9.
So I got
Okay.
72.
So LCM is 16 only. So children,
ma'am.
this very least common multiple. So you have to think what is the meaning? 8 times which number you will get 16? Least common multiple. So 8 times which number is 16? 8 into 2. So the least common multiple is 16. If they are not like multiples, then only LCM will be different. If they are in the multiplication table of 8, you will see, okay, 8 times which number? Okay, next one is little more. Finish question number 10. Yes, Gautam.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Question number 10. Read question number 10.
Solve 2 by 13 plus 3 by 39.
So you have to check. Least common multiple means 13 times which number can I make 39? 3. Yes, 13 into 3. So numerator also you have to multiply by 3.
So
What's the answer?
6 plus 3. 9 by 39.
9 by 39. Very good. Children, we will check whether you will get the same answer. So here question number 9 is 3 by 16. Question number 10. The question is solve 2 by 13 plus 3 by 39. So children, it is clear. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 1, 3. So you can multiply by 3. So if you don't know what you have to do, you have to 13 and 39. You have to find the LCM. And children, you know 13 is a prime number. So you have to divide by 13. So you will get here 1, here you will get 3.
And 3.
So directly you can write 2 into 3, 6 by 39 plus 3 by 39. So what's the answer, Gautam? Say again. 9 by 39. 9 by 39. So children, question number 10, the answer is 9, 6 plus 3, 9 by 39. All the children now question number 11 and 12, you have to do alone. 11 and 12.
Now finish.
I'm finished.
Wait. Now let me ask Anina. All others, please wait. Anina, finished? Question number 11.
Solve 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3.
Okay. Tell me the LCM. 9 and 3, Anina. What is the LCM of 9 and 3?
3.
LCM, least common multiple. 3 times which number is 9? 9 is the
3.
common multiple. Huh? We will do.
3.
If you have any doubt, we will find out. We have to find the LCM of 9 and 3. Okay, Anina, are you there? Anina, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 divided by 3 is 1.
Is muted.
Okay. So here we do. So what is LCM? LCM is least common multiple. 3 into 3. 3 into 3.
9.
Let me see, Anina. Understood? You said highest common factor. That was HCF. HCF is 3. Okay. So here, look here, how you can get LCM. You have to do till 1. For highest common factor means we will do till here. Because 3 and 1, there is no common factor. LCM is 9. Okay, find out the LCM. LCM is 9 and tell me the answer. 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3.
Ma'am.
Wait, Gautam. Rohit, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
Question number
11. 11.
2 by 9.
Yes, very good. 2 by 9. Anina, you got the answer? Yes? Yes or no? 2 by 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will see how we are getting that answer. Here we already got the LCM is 9. So question number 11, what we have to do? Question number 11 is 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3. So 8 by 9 minus. Here 2 into, 3 into 3, 2 into 3. So 6 by 9. So the answer is 2 by 9. Correct answer. So who said this answer? Rohit. Yes, correct answer.
Yes.
All the children, please check whether you got answer 2 by 9.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now we will do one more question. Question number 12. Then we will wind up the class. Question number 12. Yes, children.
Ma'am.
Is there anyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
50 by 10. 50 by
15 by 10.
15 by 10. 15
15
by
by
10.
10. Very good. Okay. So the answer is correct. 15
Ma'am, I
by.
have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
10.
Ma'am, I even have a doubt.
Amen. Wait. Some two persons together. When we ask, I will not able to hear. So Angelina, wait. Yes, Amen.
Ma'am, so I told that about the 15th question. So, Ma'am, 16 and 12.
You are asking me about 15.
Ma'am, not that. Ma'am, so the
That we can do later. Now, I mean, till 12 we are doing. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, very short answer questions. We need only to write the answer. We don't need to write the step.
Okay, so children, we will do only till 12 here. Okay, now our time is up.
No, ma'am, I am asking.
12,
Ma'am, 10,
15
ma'am,
by
10, 11, 12. I'm asking about 10,
only the
11,
answer.
12.
Only the answer.
Okay,
We are
ma'am.
giving the answer. Look at the board. Here till 11 we have written. So we have to write only the answer. I am showing you the step. You have to write only the answer for 11. Because here it is very short answer. It is not short answer. Very short. So we have to write only the answer. So you told me already the answer of question number 12, 15 by 10.
15 by
So,
10.
okay. So children, that's all for today. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
bye,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you.